In the world of engineering, there's a quirky solution to climate change. Using cow burps? Yes, you heard it right. Engineers have discovered that adding a small amount of seaweed to cow feed can reduce methane emissions from their burps by over 80%. This unexpected twist in agriculture not only helps the environment, but also boosts cow health. Imagine a world where seaweed becomes a staple in farms, turning cows into eco-friendly creatures. This fascinating fact shows how innovation can come from the most unexpected places. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.